We're back. Me and him. We're gonna be reacting to Billie Eilish. What was I made for?
Yes, Ntombi Mlungu. Let's see.
I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for.
Why are shoes so big?
This girl can sing.
Yeah.
What was I made for? Taking a drive, I was an ideal, looked so alive. Turns out I'm not real, just something you paid for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna.
This girl can sing, dude. Like,
Billie Eilish is dope, bro.
hear my spine Wait, what tingles?
My spine tingle, wow. A bone, a whole bone.
What tingles? There's a saying about tingling. Something. My nerves. Is it nerves or is it the back of your neck? What tingles? Hey, English people. People from America.
You
people from-
colonizer. Just facts.
Shut up, you bald-headed demon. Yeah. People from Western areas, countries. I need you all to what tingles?
I know something, but I can't say it because it's inappropriate. But yeah.
Hey man,
Shout out to you who told me that it tingles.
keep that shit away from here, bro.
I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I
This is being shot in one take.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I just realized it. This was shot in one take. And is this a Barbie soundtrack? Probably is.
No, it's not. Barbie soundtrack is an Ice Spice song.
Yeah, but there's other songs in the soundtrack.
Okay, we'll check.
When did it end? All the
Kwaqhuma umgwaqo ngathi kusebreak. Kwenzakalani la? What's going on?
enjoyment, I'm sad again. Don't tell my boyfriend, it's not what he's made for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel,
one problem with that.
Wait, let it run. It's Billy. It's probably gonna be something else. A cliffhanger or something. This girl is very artistic. Wait. This blank background is probably an artistic decision, so we'll wait. What the fuck? What happened?
When people even steal your time, it's crazy. But hey, man, yeah, Billie Eilish is very good. But another thing I've picked up with her music is like
It's
she's.
for having sex.
Why would you have said? What rhythm is that?
Slow sex.
What kind of strokes are those?
It's making love.
Hey, cishe ngaphandle.
It's making love music.
If you know what this
wrong
is.
with you?
Hey, it was like, but what I will say is,
She reminds me of Miley Cyrus before she turned black.
well, she never was, but
No, she turned black.
nah,
There was
she
a-
failed.
There was a time where she was black.
In my days, oh, no, talking and that. But what I want to say about Billie Eilish is like, seems like her music is kind of like sad and negative, like.
Yeah, that's why I had to stop listening to her music at one time. Like there was that song
'Cause there's
Bad
another-
Guy,
yeah.
and then there was this one that she made with Khalid, which is like one of my favorite ones, if not my favorite one that she's made. But her songs just they became too depressing.
They kind of pessimistic, even though she does have that talent.
Yeah, because I don't like questioning life. Like I don't like questioning life. Like I don't like questioning existence. If that happens, then fuck. What's there for me in this world? So no, that's why I ended up I stopped listening to her because of that. I was like, come on, give me a. It's all about the
Yes,
bass.
bitch,
At the
yes,
bass.
bitch,
No
yes,
trouble.
bitch, twerk. Twerk
Yeah.
and offended the rapper lapho. I want to see something.
But yeah, there was Billie Eilish, and yeah, it was a dope song.
She's very good.
She's very good. She's very,
Very
good.
good.
She's very good.
I think more than any, if she should grow like subject matter wise, but I think it's an age thing, which she will do. She'll have that larger audience, like an Adele type of appeal.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, in any case, suggest any videos you'd like for us to react to in the comments. Follow every link, everything in the bio. Like, subscribe,
And
share the
subscribe,
link.
guys. Subscribe,
it's important.
please. It's
Subscribe,
important. That's the only way I can finally.
That's one thing. Subscribe and a like.
Yeah, and then comment.
Yes.
Tell my friend how his hoodie looks. I believe it's an abortion in itself, but who am I to judge? But yeah,
These are the type of guys you kick the shit out of them. Babathi bazocela kini. Khahlela le nto le. Tshingele emgqomeni kadoti. But in any case, next time.